Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. So of course, just head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you log into your account. Next, at the bottom left corner of the screen, just head over to settings. And in the left panel, just click on Payments. So from here, you should have Shopify Payments, but also a reminder that Shopify Payments is only available to few countries and regions. Now, if you have Shopify Payments, just click on Manage. Next is just scroll down. And in the wallet section, you should be able to see different payment methods, and that includes Apple Pay. You can choose whether to enable the Apple Pay or not. Just make sure that you check the box beside Apple Pay to enable it and add it as payment method on your Shopify store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!